How to grow an endless supply of garlic at home. Many different studies have confirmed that allicin, the active compound found in garlic, may use the same mechanism as blood pressure drugs called ACE inhibitors to lower blood pressure. It's believed that garlic prevents the creation of angiotensin II, a hormone, and helps relax blood vessels. And as we said, garlic is also extremely useful and effective in controlling LDL cholesterol. We all love garlic because it's good in so many different ways. Not only does it add mouth-watering flavor to everyone's favorite dishes, but it's also useful for a wide variety of natural health remedies. You don't have to decide what you'll be using your homegrown garlic for, trust me, it will always come in handy. Garlic will boost your immune system. Yes, garlic is one of the best immune-boosting foods on the planet. A recent study has found that people who take a daily garlic supplement can reduce their likelihood of catching colds and cases of flu by 63%. You should also know that garlic is useful in treating stubborn staph infections. Many people also make their own garlic oil to help speed up the treatment of ear infections. Cardiovascular health. Did you know that if you consume garlic with other foods, it will help your body deal with their cholesterol better, and prevent it from being stored up? Well, yes, and this will significantly lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Garlic is also great for those suffering from high blood pressure. Eating garlic daily can lower hypertension by up to 8%. Cancer prevention. A recent study has discovered that the more garlic a person eats like a regular part of their diet, the more they can reduce their risk of stomach cancer, colorectal cancer, and liver cancer. This is really amazing, and it means that you should eat garlic every day. But, if you don't like the smell, you can always get some garlic supplements. How to grow an endless supply of garlic at home. You should know that garlic is not at all difficult to garden at home. Whether you have space for just a few plants or have an outdoor garden that will accommodate your yearly supply, you'll do well to add this wonderful herb to your green thumb repertoire. And this is very important for you to remember: you should only plant organic garlic cloves. Not only is this much better for your health, but non-organic garlic from supermarkets is often chemically treated to stop it from sprouting well when planted. First, you should plant your garlic before the ground freezes, usually sometime in October. Note, but, if you're gardening indoors, this won't matter. Make sure you use the right soil. The soil should be loose and fertile. And don't forget to top your soil with 2 to 3 inches of organic matter. Make shallow furrows 6 inches apart. After that, you should break apart a large head of garlic. Set aside only the biggest cloves for planting, and use the smaller ones for your cooking or natural medicine. Now, you should plant cloves 2 inches deep, and 4 inches apart in the furrows. Note, and make sure the pointier end of the clove is facing up. When you're done with that, you should fill in the holes with dirt, then water well. You can add some dead leaves or compost as well. Then you wait. Don't forget to fertilize your garlic plants in spring. Water them when the soil feels dry an inch below the surface, they won't need much, and clip off any flowers that grow. You can also keep track of how many leaves each plant has. When they reach 5 or 6 green leaves, it's time to pull them up. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.